Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. So today I'm doing some meal prep for the boys and I'm gonna make homemade Hot Pockets. They love these, so I'm gonna make a big batch and we'll have them ready to go for whenever they're having a craving. These are really good to store in the freezer also, and you can heat them up in an air fryer or the oven or the microwave. So I'm gonna make a big batch of these. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be doing meal prepping for my kids each week, as well as my meal prepping that I do on the weekends, my breakfast and lunch meals. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will get this meal for the boys cooked up and prepped for the week. This pizza crust dough from Pillsbury is really great. You can use it for a lot of different things, but I'm going to make the pizza Hot Pockets for the boys for this week. So I'm going to unroll it and flatten it out, and so I have it on my cutting board. I'm going to cut it into 4 strips because I'm going to make 4 Hot Pockets with this recipe. I'm going to cut it in 4 strips and then I will cut it across again. So I'm going to have all these little squares to make my Hot Pockets with. I'm going to add in the pizza sauce. I love this one that just squeezes right on. It's really easy. So I'm just gonna put some pizza sauce on one of the sides, and then I'll spread it out a little bit so that it's all even. I'm gonna add on my mozzarella cheese. So I'll put that on top of the pizza sauce on each one. And then after that, I'm gonna use my mini pepperonis. I love mini pepperonis for these homemade pizzas. They're really great. You can just put a bunch into this little on top of the cheese, and then we'll close up our homemade pizza pockets. So I'm gonna put the top on, and then once that is on, I'm going to press the edges with a fork to help seal the sides and to make them a closed pocket. Okay, I have my cookie sheet lined with a baking mat. I just love using baking mats because it makes cleanup way easier. So I'm going to add in the Hot Pockets onto that, and I'm going to I'm going to brush it with some olive oil. I'm going to brush each one on top with a little bit of olive oil, and I'm going to add on a little bit of dried basil as well. I'll sprinkle that on. And I'm going to bake these in the oven at 350 for about 16 to 18 minutes, and then they'll be ready to go. Alright, so the homemade pizza Hot Pockets are all done out of the oven. They're really great. The kids love these. So I love having a batch ready to go at any time. So thanks for watching. Check the description box for the recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other toddler meal prep ideas, as well as my lunch and breakfast meal prep ideas that I post on the weekends. So don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so that you get the notification. I will see you next time. I hope that you have a great week. Bye-bye.